Morning traders. So how do we trade the DAX today? So I've got three levels drawn in. First one is the low of this week here. Second one that I have is this low over here. Okay, and then I have this tail here, which is a swing low. And the reason I've got those in is if I just look to the left, I can see the interaction with these two levels. And this one is just a previous week high, which is always a good level to watch. Okay, so I'm still of the opinion that this is a retracement. We're still sitting on the 61.8, and I'm looking for a move to the upside. Until we break below this level, that is what my view is here. Let's get to the daily. Daily, we're starting to see a lot of confusion at this level. You can see we've got buyers stepping in here. We've got the oscillators group to the bottom. So we're extremely oversold at the moment. And this is starting to look like a potential for a reversal. Okay, may not actually fulfill my dream of it going all the way back to the upside. It may just come and test the breakout here, and then this double top plays out properly. Okay, so I'm only really interested in the double top until on the retest, especially on these big levels. So we get a retest of that area and it's successful and we start moving, then I'll start to look for this double top target. But until then, this is just a potential triangle that is playing out. Right. Let's get to the 4 hour. I think you'll see things a little bit clearer on the 4 hour. You'll see we've got bullish reversal pattern, bullish reversal pattern. So there's two bullish reversal patterns on a potential double bottom, and that is a target. That's the play that I'm playing today. On the 1 hour, so the futures market is sitting at 12260. So pretty much roughly where we closed at the moment. A little bit higher than that. There we go. So that's roughly where futures market is at the moment. So we are 50 points away from where we closed. So I would suspect that we have some kind of a pullback to this area and get some consolidation and then move to the upside. So I'm looking for a long in this area. Even if we do get a pullback back down to test this level again, I'd look for some bullish action to get long here as well. So that's my play at the moment, is looking for longs. I look at the 12-minute. We're slightly above, so I would look for a gap close. Anything kind of in this area along this level here would be a very good entry for a long for me. Okay, so that's kind of the play that I've got today. Looking for a long, and we'll just wait for the open and see how that pans out. Okay, so I think the last thing I just want to point out is your open range break on the DAX. Your open range break strategy is a pretty reliable strategy, and you can back test it. I mean, I've back tested it. It's profitable over the longer run. You do get failures. It's not a foolproof scenario, but it does work. Which candle to use is entirely up to you. They both play out, and I prefer using the sort of the 9 to 10 candle, which is this one, and this is the 8 to 9 candle. So you can see the 9 to 10 candle played out to the downside pretty nicely. Breakout target and the second target was hit. And if I do the same for the 8 to 9, you can see its target, breakout target to the upside worked out, and its targets to the downside worked out. And pretty much you had 4 targets to the downside that worked out. So they both do work out. It's entirely up to you how to play them, and they both fail as well. So, but they are profitable over the longer time period of time. You will make money just trading the open range break strategy on the DAX. Okay, so that's kind of my view of the DAX today, looking for longs, and we'll just wait for the open to see what kind of bullish action we get, and then we will trade the longs and probably trade it on the open range break strategy anyway. So I hope it helps, and stay safe, keep those stops tight, enjoy the weekend, and I'll catch you guys next week. Cheers, man.